Welcome to learndaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the tool hole. इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं hole tool को. So let's begin. We are going to start with the creating new document, and we are going to select the plane and start the sketch. So we are going to draw a rectangle. So let's draw it quickly. Now we are going to exit this sketch and we are going to extrude it. Let's extrude it to 30 mm. Okay, also we want the mirror and press OK. So we have created our sketch and extrude it. Now we are going to learn the tool hole. So you can see, you can find the tool hole below the groove, and also you can find this tool. Go to main menu, insert, and sketch paste feature. Okay, now we are going to click on the hole and simply I'm going to select this face, and as you can see the window has been opened, and let's see what options are provided. You can see you can use the option of blind. I can use the option up to next, okay, up to last, and you can use up to plane and up to surface. So we are going to use the blind. You can change the diameter. Simply we are going to change it 20. You can use the depth 60 and we can change it 50, and also you can reverse the direction. Below you can change it flat or V bottom. You can change. Okay, so we want the flat, and let's press OK. So as you can see, we have created the hole by using the tool hole. So let's see the other options that are provided in the hole. Simply going to double click on it, and let's see what we have in the type. You can see you can provide the hole simple, you can provide it tapered, counter bore, counter sunk, and counter drilled. So we are going to use counter bore. Okay, also you can provide the thread definitions. You can use, simply going to click on it, and you can provide the dimensions, spot depth up to plane, and you can use the thread definition type what you want: metric thin pitch, metric thick pitch, no standard. Okay, you can see thread dia, hole dia. You can see thread depth, hole depth, pitch, and also you can see what type of thread you want: right hand thread and left thread. So we are going to not going to use these ones, and I'm going to press OK. So we have created the hole by using the tool hole. So let's use one more time. Simply going to click on it, and you can see we have created the hole. Simply we are going to up to next. We are going to use the type. Simply we are going to use the countersunk or tipper, not being the tipper, counterboard. You can change the dia. Simply we are going to provide it 30, not a 3000, 30, 30. Okay, and you can provide it to see the preview. Okay, and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the hole using the tool hole. So let's change the view. So in this tutorial we have learned about the tool hole. So I hope you like this video, and thank you.